What is up, guys, and welcome back to the channel. In today's video we have this beautiful ORA Good Cat Ultra that we have right here. Now there are tons of colors that you can choose from, and in this case we have it in this Hazel wood beige with a brown roof. Half of the car is brown on top, and this is a beige kind of like hazel wood beige brown roof. So that's the exterior, and it's very nice. I love how the interior also, they have all sorts of different colors that you can choose from. There's one right here, this one goes with that goes with that, and this goes with this. So I like how they comboed this whole thing together. Very cool. You can find them on the website if you need to, but nevertheless, let's take a walk around to show you guys the exterior appearance of this car. As I mentioned, there's a brown on top, there's a beige at the bottom. The interior of this car, yeah, it looks very nice indeed. The interior beige as well. Love this hazel color happening all over the place. I'm not so sure which is hazel or yeah, brown stuff happening. So cool. So we do have your lighting on this side right here. Let's start off with the lights. You do get your chrome lining finishing all over the place, your DRLs that go all around it, your intelligent light wording right there as well, so that's kind of nice. So for the exterior part right here, you do have your hood that's bulging in this design. With the color of the car, it does help to show how sleek it looks. At the same time, if you want it to be aggressive, you can go for another color if you wish to. But you do have this beautiful badging right here in the center. Number plate goes right here. So as well, you do have your camera for the front. Sensors happening all over the place together with your tow hook that goes right there. Now for the front bumper, it's not as aggressive as some opening right here, but you do get this almost like texture feel, as you can see. It's right there, can you see it? And the bottom right here, you have this chrome finish right here. Got this matte texture like finish at the bottom as well. The whole centerpiece just goes from left to right. You don't get any sensor happening on here in the center, but you do get your airflow happening to flow through also as well, so that's kind of nice. Love the sleekness and clean look of the car, so that's very nice indeed. Once again, as you can see, there's a texture like finish at the front. Can you see it? It's amazing. So you do get your wheels 18 inches as well. Tire size is 215/50 R18. Solid disc brakes happening right there. You get your two-tone finish of a wheel, sort of silver here. We got this grey finish in the center to give you your badging. At the same time, you get your disc brakes right there so as well. Brake calipers, I mean, disc is right there. Very cool and clean, sleek looking design. So for the charging socket, you got your AC and your DC also as well, so that's kind of nice. So for the top portion of the car, as I mentioned, is in this brown finish, right? Half of the car is brown, so you got this brown finish right here. You got this matte finish happening right here at the bottom. You got your 360 camera on this side. The bottom piece right here is also in this matte-like finish, as you can see. So you do have your handle to open up the door on this side right here. And as you can see, the interior looks really bright and clean. Brown finishing. Love it, man. Very nice. Love the beige. I think the beige is on the inside. So beige interior color is the beige finish is on here. Very cool. I believe the hazel and brown kind of like finish is like the top part is brown. This is like the hazel color, but the inside part of the car is actually in this beige kind of finish together with this brown finish over here as well. The quality of it is superb, man, dude. You have to be here to see this. You got this brown finishing right here. You got this quilted kind of stitching happening at the side part of the door right here. You get your finishing on this side, handle to hold to pull to close the door, window adjustments, opening up of the door. You got this silver chrome lining happening all across the side. You do have your compartment storage down here together with your speaker. Love the color of what we are seeing right here. Love the differences that we are seeing. Amazing. So love the interior part right here, the ORA wording right there, plastic finish. Now these are amazing interior quality finish for a car like this. Damn Chunwei, it's beautiful. Love the brown that's happening at the side, as you can see. But we will not spend much time in the car sitting down because of course this is a brand new car. Seat adjustments are manual. You got your handle to hold to open up this, and love the interior, man, dude. Let's jump right in because there's a plastic on it, so let's not season up the seats, but nevertheless, take a look, man, dude. Amazing finish light texture for the front whole dashboard. Love the screen that's integrated well into the front. Before that, since we're already here, we should be turning off the front lights as well. Turning on the front lights, sorry, I mean. So at least the DRLs are on, as you can see it. But nevertheless, airbag, you got your adjustments right here for the air vents as well. Love the finishing. Love the switches that we have right here as well. So of course you do get your hazard lights to turn on and turn off. You get your glass roof to open up if you wish to as well. Very, very cool indeed. So the top lining here is in this fabric kind of like finish. The other one was in this suede Alcantara like finish. You got this hard plastic happening over here as well. So that's kind of cool. Hard plastic right there. Amazing layout. So the interior of this car is super bright. That means the brighter the color, the spacious the car looks, the bigger the car looks. USB type A, type C, your 12-volt socket for recharge some stuff. You got your compartment storage down here, and yeah, wireless charging on this side. You have this part right here with some, yeah, cool. Amazing layout as well. Love the steering wheel. We'll get to that in a while more. But nevertheless, let's get right down and take a look at the second row of seats. Amazing layout. So you do have your brown finishing on this side right here. Once again, the front part is in this soft kind of leather, but this one right here is in a hard plastic, so that is also nice as well. You do get the quilted stitching on this side, hard plastic on this side, and following in white, or goes all the way right down here. Got your compartment storage down here together with your speaker that goes right there. Love the finishing for the door. Looks really, really good as well. The interior of this car, once again, the brighter the color, the more spacious the car looks. Carpet is just nice, almost flat. Your seat belts are in this beautiful beige like color. Love it, man, dude. I love this finishing and quality of the car. Looks very bright and very, very nice indeed, man, dude. Take a look. Amazing glass roof. Amazing layout. Sitting position is superb. It's very comfortable to slide from left to right. You got your USB A happening down here as well. And then you got your compartment storage down there. So cool. So let's jump to the center. So this is me sitting comfortably right at the center as well. Headroom is good, and yeah, the layout is fantastic, man. I love the interior. Interior is just so nice. Let's open up the doors and let's get right down to show you guys the wheels. So for the wheels on this car, they also are having so-called a 5-spoke. Solid disc brakes right there. Brake caliper is on this side. You got your silver finishing right here with the grey finishing. You got your badging right there in the center. Tire size for this 215 50 R18. Amazing layout for the wheels. Now, as I mentioned, the top portion of the car is in this brown finish. As you can see, how the cut goes like this and it goes across the whole side. Your glass roof. And then you do get your shark fin antenna also in brown. Brake lights right there. Brake lights right here. They're currently on. GWM badging right here. You got your good cat wording at the side. You do have sensors located all over the place. Your number plate goes right there. This should be your turn indicators together with your reflectors. You do get this matte finish rear diffuser like design. It's not as aggressive as the GT, but it does its job to blend in with the car really well. Finish in a very nice texture. Your 360 camera is on this side, and this car, it doesn't have any power boot, so you have to manually hold it to pull the boot down. Boot space is very nice indeed. Love how bright the interior looks like as well. The space is good. You can fold down the seats if you wish to. You gotta pull them right here, and you push them right down, and then this part right here, and push them right down. Cool. Amazing look. Beautiful space for a car like this. So can you imagine you store a lot of stuff going on in? Very cool indeed. A lot of space that you guys can actually do a lot of stuff with. So yeah, head down to the driver's side. Let's open up the doors and take a look. Once again, you do get this soft leather-like finish for the top, and then you got this silver finish right here at the side. Handle to open up the door, unlock and lock. You do get this quilted stitching at the side right here. Handle to hold to pull to close the door. You got your window adjustments back, and also the front. You have your side mirror adjustments. At the bottom right here, compartment storage together with some hard plastic happening all over the place. Very cool indeed. Now the brake pedals are in black, accelerator pedals also in black. You got the ORA wording at the carpet right there. Side here looks very, very clean and nice. Let's hop right into the interior and sit at the driver's side to feel what is it like now. First thing I have to say, dude, I love how they separated the color right here. So the dashboard, right, is also brown. Now you do get half of the steering also in brown, so you get to have this appearance like you're having just the bottom part as your steering wheel, not the top. This is to me lah. If you're sitting down here, you can tell as if the top part here does not exist. It's just the bottom, so that's very nice indeed. Love all the controls that were happening right here, your parking cameras and whatnot on this side. So these ones right here are to control the screen, I believe, to control different kind of modes that you wish to set or display. So you can choose your cruise control to set the distance between you and the front car, speed limit or whatnot. You get your other modes to choose from, such as your radio mode and whatnot. But yeah, let's lower down the volume. Cool. Yeah, so you can even touchscreen as well as over there. Let's go back home. So cool, very nice screen layout, and love the opening that we have right here. So lighting adjustments on this side, your wiper adjustments on this side as well. Signal is also on this side, together with your drive selector and your reverse and your P that's happening over here. Air vent adjustments over there. You got your lighting adjustments on this side, and yeah, very cool layout. USB A, USB C. You got your wireless charging. Wireless charging is on this side, I believe, but this one right here is where you keep your key to start your car and move your car away. But yeah, you got your cup holders happening on this side, 2 of them. Compartment storage down here once again. Beautiful layout. Top part right here, you got your sunglass holder. On this side, lighting adjustments all over the place. So that's kind of cool. So this is me sitting comfortably right at the front. Beautiful finish of a car. Now, the interior part of the car is actually body, doors, front wiper. Cool. There are a lot of other settings that you can choose to control, but yeah, amazing layout as well. So maybe that is for another video if the time comes. But nevertheless, amazing setup, amazing layout, amazing bright finish of a car that you guys can have for a car like this. So let's get right down and show you guys the lights, how they actually look. So for the front, you do have your DRLs that pop up right this as well, as you can see. Amazing layout for the front. Now let's take a nice cover photo for the front as well. So very cool indeed. Love how the color of the car actually looks, man. Beautiful lights that we have. Now you do have the back part right here, which we will close down the back of the boot manually. And as you can see, the lights are already on also as well. Right here, can you see that? It's beautiful how it's to the glass and not to the body of the car. So that's unique and different about this car. So for the hazard lights, if you turn it on, you guys can see that there is a hazard light happening right here. Turn indicators where your side mirrors are at, and also the bottom right here for the front lights, you have it going all over the ring, which is kind of cool. So your DRLs are still there, but it gets replaced off and on with the turn indicators, so that's kind of nice as well. See how well they blend in together, the light color of the exterior with the light color of the interior. So very nice indeed. So the turn indicators at the bottom right there as well, so that's very nice indeed, as you can see. Beautiful finish. So that is it, guys, for today. If you'd like to find out more about GWM cars, do head down to Subang side right here, and you'll be able to locate this car, that car, and many more other cars such as their Tank and even the Haval. Beautiful place to be. So thank you guys for watching, and see you in the next video.